Friends, today I am going to talk to you about making portfolios tick again. In our management model, which is in mutual funds, we had the luxury of selling in one go. But this usually is not available in individual equity portfolios. As an investor, I can vouch for that. You cannot really sell all your stocks in a day and go into cash. They may not be liquid, or you may not find buyers at the price which you want to sell, and prices will keep moving, fluctuating and not letting you exit. Often we are stuck with legacy portfolios from another time. If you see the data that came out of the somewhat coverage of Diwali, you will find that the stocks which performed between summer to summer are quite surprising. If you take the index, you found a stock which you never thought would be the best performer, becoming the best performer. I'm sure that over the next year, over the next 12 months, you're going to see several such surprises. Not only stocks, even sectors could surprise. Interestingly, what we thought were very stable, performing sectors will also tend to disappoint. We have seen that between somewhat to somewhat, and we will again see it in the next year. Add the uncertainty of an election, a new budget, new economic direction that we are going to take in 2019, and the need to do things that will make our portfolio tick again is acute. Portfolios will not tick again by themselves. We could have constructed a portfolio in an earlier period based on certain circumstances. The circumstances change, the fundamentals of businesses change, and we often find that our preferences also change. Individual preferences change, collective preferences also change, and the market tends to shift away from its past preferences very quickly. This means that as investors, we would also need to shift towards what the market will prefer in the future. This is imperative if we need to make returns on a continuing basis. If you're a professional investor where you invest for others, this need becomes all the more acute. You cannot really hold on to themes from the past all the way down. You need to, at some level, take a judgmental call and ensure that your investors are protected from the downside. I think that as a market, if we are going to see returns on a secular basis, then we need to align our investments towards that future. Going into a very interesting election year, I think there is an acute need to realign our portfolios towards the future and to make it tick again. For that, we need to make quite a few difficult decisions and create a forward-looking investment approach. That, in my view, is a basic necessity to make our portfolios tick again. Thank you.